Hi everyone, welcome back to a new episode of Roberto's Kitchen. Today we're gonna prepare a Mexican dish, but before we go to our plate, please, if you have any comments, any suggestions, write to us. We will get back to you. We would love to hear from you. If you need our recipes in French or Spanish, just send us a message and we'll send it back to you. We will gladly do that to share this amazing recipe with you. So let's start by telling you what kind of dish we're gonna do. A traditional Mexican dish that is called enchiladas. Normally we do enchiladas with a red sauce or a green sauce. But today we're gonna give a twist to our plate and we're gonna do enchiladas with adobo. We will let you know what ingredients goes in the adobo, how to prepare your adobo, and once it's done, you will be ready to plate and enjoy your enchiladas. So let's start by going to the ingredients of the adobo. 1 teaspoon of cumin, 2 tablespoons of oregano, 1 tablespoon of pepper, 1 fresh tomato, 1 fresh onion, some sliced fresh onion for presentation, 8 crackers, half a bar of Mexican chocolate, 10 cloves of garlic, 1 small stick of cinnamon, some chicken broth powder, some salt, some shredded chicken, sour cream, and some feta cheese. Feta cheese is the cheese that is most similar to our cotija cheese, that is the cheese that we normally use for enchiladas. Some fried tortillas, we already fried them, and our dry hot peppers will be, the main one is the guajillo. 5 to 6 guajillos, 1 pasilla, 1 ancho, 1 mulato, 1 morita, and 1 chipotle. If you don't find one of these dry peppers, don't worry, just don't put that one. First of all, you will cut your dry peppers and unseed the peppers. Once the peppers are out of seeds, take a pot, put 1 liter of water and start to boil this water. Throw your dry pepper in the pot. You will put all the ingredients and some salt to your taste. You will wait 10 to 15 minutes, take your blender out, blend the ingredients, take another pot, and you strain your adobo. You have to cook that adobo and bring it to a boil for 10 minutes and will be ready to proceed and prepare your enchiladas. So let's go and cook the adobo, and once the adobo is done, we will be ready to plate our enchiladas. So we just finished blending all our ingredients. We put them in this pot. It's coming to a boil. We will boil it for 10 minutes, and this is the consistency that we are looking in our adobo. It's a brownish sauce, and once it's ready, we will be happy to plate and prepare the enchiladas. So now I'm going to explain you how to fry your tortillas. So you have a pan with oil. Wait until the oil is really hot. Take 1 tortilla at a time. You want to wait a minute from one side, and then you will turn it around. Start hearing the crackling that your tortilla is getting fried. Once you give them a minute, just turn around your tortilla. You're going to give another minute. Now you're going to turn your tortilla and you're going to bend your tortilla. You wait one side, then you turn around to the other side. You start to feel the tortilla that is getting hard because it's getting fried. You don't just stand up your tortilla, so it will cook also at the bottom for a couple of seconds. You can see that our tortilla is already getting fried and golden brown. So your tortilla is ready, and you just put it outside. We take another one, the other side, then the other side. Stand up the tortilla. Remember to follow the timing that I'm showing you in this process, otherwise your tortilla can break down. So now you have beautiful fried tortillas to put your chicken in and go ahead and prepare your adobo enchiladas. We're ready to plate our enchiladas. Our adobo is on the side. We're gonna put some chicken in the tortillas. Once our chicken is inside, we're gonna put some adobo, some cream, and some cheese, some onions, and your enchiladas are ready. Thank you very much. I hope you enjoyed this dish, and I'm looking forward to the next episode in Roberto's Kitchen. Have a good day and see you soon.